Hello everyone, I'm Neelima from Punah Zero Waste and I'm starting this tiny series of tiny little videos on bioenzyme. The first episode today is about making bioenzyme. So let's just talk about what all do we need to make a bioenzyme. So we certainly need a container, we need a plastic container, mostly a PET bottle, small or big, really doesn't matter. And then we need for three main ingredients to make a bioenzyme is water, any tap water is great, citrus peels, any citrus peels are best choice and the easiest ones because the fragrance of the citrus peels is best you want to have around you when the bioenzyme is ready. I've taken lemon peels this time and as you can see, if you can see it, there's a little bit of ice on each of the peels because I could not my kitchen could not generate so many peels at one go. So what I used to do is have all the peels and store them in the freezer. So I have these frozen lemon peels, and today I'm taking sugar. Now we can either take sugar or jaggery, or some people also prefer using active yeast. So we will talk in details about each of these. Of course, water, you really don't have to talk so much, but I will certainly make in the coming episodes a detailed video on citrus peels and what other peels we can use. And we will also talk a little bit about the agents that we can use to make a bioenzyme. Now let's see, how do you measure them? So the main important point for making bioenzyme is the ratio between these three ingredients. So the easiest thing to remember is one measurement of sugar or jaggery, 3 measurements of any peels, mostly citrus, I prefer citrus peels, of any kinds of peels that you want to make the bioenzyme of, and 10 measures. When I say measures is part also, some people refer to it part, measure. Why am I not giving you in other generally used units of measurement is cup or milligrams or grams or milliliters, is it sometimes confuses. So what I do is, my trick is to choose a container first. Today I have chosen this 2.25 liter PET bottle of the cold drinks that we generally find. We don't drink cold drinks, but this is what I borrowed from my neighbors. And then the first thing I do is I try to measure how much of water in 10 parts comes in this bottle. So when I measured it, this is a half cup, that is 125 ml. So this is one of those too many measuring cups that you get a set in. So half cup of water 10 times comes in this container till here. That is best. We need some space above in the bottle after everything is put inside the container for some gas release. So for this container, I decided and I measured water first of half cup. Okay, so 10 parts of half cup water, 3 parts of 3 half cups of lemon peels, and 1 half cup of sugar is what will go inside this container. It's simple as that. We will talk more in details on how and why we should measure water first in the container. All you have to do is pour a little bit of water, add the sugar with the help of the funnel, and add the 3 half cups of the lemon peels, and the bioenzyme is done in the first step. I did this yesterday for you to see. As you can see, it's the same size of the bottle. As you can see, these are the same 2 kinds of the bottles. So therefore, this has 10 half cups of water, 3 half cups of lemon, and 1 half cup of sugar. This is how it comes out, and just shake it a little and keep it in a cool, dark place. This is the end of episode 1. More to come. Let's talk in details about each of the ingredients in the upcoming episodes. Thank you and bye-bye.